Hi everybody, it's Ben here at Glide. We are recording a short video this morning just to run through the process for raising a credit note and more specifically focusing on how that can interact with the Xero accounting system. If we go to the menu bar and find the name of our business here, we will see an option for billing summary. And on there we'll see a list of any invoices or credit notes that we've raised already. Here's the invoice I raised on an earlier video in this series, and I'm going to use this as the basis for my credit note. So over on the right hand side here we'll see the credit note button. I'm going to quickly explain the difference between basic and full credit note. So if we click on full credit note, then the system will in effect fully reverse every transaction that was billed as part of the invoice that we are crediting here. So for example, timesheet entries, expense entries that were billed and removed from work in progress, they will be placed back into work in progress. Any advance time that we created will be reversed, and any advance time balances we redeemed will be reinstated. On the other hand, a basic credit note is a situation where you in effect reduce the value of your timesheet entries and expenses. So this would be relevant where you've perhaps sent a bill out, as we have here, for £250, and maybe the client has complained and you've agreed to offer a £50 credit note. In that instance you would choose basic credit note. It would not have any effect on your WIP balance. This is just a direct write-off. It's going to reduce the recoverability values for that client and for those jobs. It's not going to affect your WIP. So today I'm going to click full credit note and fully reverse my invoice. We can give this a little internal reference name here. We can set a credit note number should we wish to, and we can choose the date, and I'm going to generate the credit note. So that's now been generated and that's appeared there. The over-under recovery is of course the exact opposite of what it was on the invoice. And important for the purpose of this video is now to talk about how that interacts with your Xero system. So of course you do need to have your Xero system linked, and there is a video in this series looking at how you would go about doing that. And you will need to ensure your clients are properly linked as well, and there's also a video looking at that topic. Assuming that's all set up properly, then you will see a Xero button on the right hand side here. So credit notes do not automatically go to Xero. Instead, you can come along and click the Xero button, and that's going to send the credit note to Xero. And we'll click OK, and that's been done. So we can see on the Invoices tab as well that the invoice is listed here, and like we did on the video for the invoice earlier, we're going to click on the deep link and that's going to take us through to Xero. I just need to log in because I wasn't previously logged in there, and we're going to see the credit note. And of course you can make changes here, and then at some point you can approve. Okay, so that pretty much covers the mechanics of raising a credit note and, importantly, how that interacts with the Xero integration. Thanks very much.